struck by lightning. But on purpose? And why? Well, this is the Q1 Tower, an iconic skyscraper piercing the skyline of the Gold Coast, Australia. And you just saw its 97-metre steel lightning rod do its job properly. But what other secrets is this building hiding? Today, we're diving into the architecture and construction of the renowned Q1 building. We're going to look into what sets Q1 apart and why it's an icon of the Gold Coast, the intricate construction methods that brought this skyscraper to life, and we'll go up to the SkyPoint observation deck and discuss some of the intriguing aspects of this building. But hang around till the very end when we get to give this building the Goldie Star rating. Developed by Sunland Group and built between 2002 and 2005, the Q1 building stands as a testament to modern architectural ingenuity. Its sleek, futuristic design captivates onlookers and sets a high bar for skyscraper aesthetics. But Q1 is more than just a pretty facade. It fosters 80 floors of residential living, offering inhabitants an unparalleled living experience with luxurious amenities, panoramic views, and it redefines urban living in the heart of Surfers Paradise. Standing at an impressive 322 metres tall, the Q1 building is the tallest building in Australia, beating its Melbourne relative by 6 metres at Australia 108. In fact, the design of this building was inspired by the 2000 Sydney Olympic torch, reflecting its era of creation. We can see the resemblance of the sloped torch peak with the similar design at the top of Q1. And if you look closely enough, you can see the multiple notches on the outside of the building that protrude in a similar fashion that are similar to the multiple layers of the Olympic torch. Major differences being the difference in the spire. In fact, the spire acts as a conducting rod for lightning, which safely earths the electrical current away from the building and into the ground. It's such a clever design by the architecture teams of Sunland Group and the Buchan Group. Constructing a skyscraper of this magnitude requires precision and expertise. The building is supported by 22 steel and concrete piles, each 2 metres in diameter and drilled 40 metres into the ground. Even this close to the beach, the piles are supported in many metres of solid rock. From reinforced concrete to high-strength steel, the Q1 building incorporates a variety of materials to achieve both aesthetic appeal and structural robustness. There are over 18,000 panels of glass adorning the facade, adding to its striking visual appeal that glimmers in the beautiful Gold Coast sunlight. The building is oriented to point towards the sharp edge in the southeast direction to counteract the prevailing winds from the south and easterly directions. As wind blows in from the southeast, the skyscraper uses its symmetrical aerofoil shape to minimize wind forces, which help to lessen sway of the building at higher levels. In fact, the building can move as much as half a metre at the very top in a day. The symmetrical aerofoil design provides a lower wind drag on the building when compared to an oval shape from a tube, increasing the overall safety and reducing structural requirements for resisting wind loads. Since its completion in 2005, the Q1 building has become an iconic landmark on the Gold Coast. Yet very few people know why it is called Q1. It actually stands for Queensland No. 1, as the name suggests, but it honours members of the Australian Olympic sculling team from the 1920s. Its enduring legacy serves as a symbol of progress, innovation and architectural excellence in Queensland. So, how many gold stars can we score this building? The building design has stunning visual appeal as it pushes the boundaries of super tall skyscrapers in 2005, and it was inspired by the Sydney Olympic torch, so it gets a 4 out of 5 in design aesthetics. While Q1 offers luxurious amenities and an impressive living experience, with everything you would need, all in one. Delivering what it promises, it gets a 4 out of 5 in functionality. The building incorporates many eco-friendly features, but there is room for improvement in some sustainability aspects of a building this scale, so it gets a 2 out of 5 in sustainability. Constructed with high-quality materials and advanced techniques, the building is durable and showcases impressive craftsmanship, particularly in its glass panels and structural robustness. I just don't want to be the one cleaning all those windows, so it gets a 3 out of 5 in material and construction quality. The Q1 building is supposed to stand out on the Gold Coast skyline, creating a memorable and iconic status. It was designed to be memorable, and that is why I'll give it a 4 out of 5 for context and integration. In total, it gets a score of 17 out of 25 Goldie Stars. As we conclude our journey through the Q1 building, I invite you to share your thoughts. What aspects of this architectural masterpiece inspire you the most? Have you noticed any flaws we missed? Join the conversation in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe for more captivating explorations of architecture and design.